Wow, we're packing. It's been a month already. Isn't that crazy?
A month in this apartment. I love the view.
Same. Love it so much. Look down, pool right there, steps away. All the bags. Have a little bit more than we came with, so it's gonna be interesting, but yeah.
I'm really excited that we're gonna stay for 2 months in the other place.
Me too.
Yes.
No moving for a while. Welcome to our crib for the next 3 months. Now here we have a little living room area. Nice, cute, chic, little fake plant, or real plant, you never tell. Look at this, a little corner, good book, just sit back and relax in this comfy, little secluded area. Then we get up and we go over here and look at this view. Even better than the last one. We are in the heart of Cancun. We have a little dining room with wood finishing, with nice white chairs that really contrast the space well. And look at these little shelves, nice touch. Beautiful centerpiece. This place has been staged very well. And here we have our kitchen. 10-year warranty on this fridge. You got everything you could ever need. I feel like maybe this wasn't built for my height. Got in the fridge.
Hopefully a working fridge this time.
Oh, very cold. Fresh water goes in here.
Oh. Fans at the ceiling. Nice AC.
Smart. Into bathroom number 1. And the difference from this to our last one, we have a nice shower head. Very key when choosing Airbnbs. And here we are in the guest bedroom. If any of you guys are guests, welcome. This is where you'll be. And here we go into the master. Nice cool shades with another view of this great skyline. It's amazing. Well, they don't want anyone falling out, so we can't open the window. But gorgeous view nonetheless.
Yeah, I love it.
What we really like about the space is all the natural light we get. And look at that painting. That's pretty sick. His and hers sink. Very important for those of you in relationships. And then the master bath. Very clean and nice. This place is a perfect spot to stay in downtown Cancun. And now that you've seen the place, it's time for you to leave. Right out the door. Go explore Mexico for yourself.
Oh, if you want, you can come and explore Mexico with us. Okay, so actually the main reason why we came here is because they have this bubble tea shop, which I just bought it and I'm hoping it's open. True love. These kind of walls.
Very nice.
It's called Boncha. Can you have some tea? Because they have bubbles. Yummy? You want to try bubbles?
There are Buffalo Wild Wings for Seli's first time.